morning, pack a bag and buckle down. Keep it hushed now, come on the ground. Everybody's looking for you now. And they're hunting you down in your own town. They're trying to chase you out, and who knows what you've done now. Yeah, you look a little thin, I bet you run quick. Race down to block 26. They'd never go for it. Hold your breath for the countdown, yeah, it starts now. I'll tell you when to let go of it. Let go. How could you walk away from me after all of what we said we'd be? Broken beyond repair. I'm the bird around your neck. You go act like you don't know my name. How dare you cast your spell on me? You've been careful not to set me free. I would never turn you down or try and shut you out. Take me back to when I once was your brave. I feel the soil is still warm from the night before. Where we had it out, what was it all for? What was it all for? And I am left with the darkness of your eyes, and we both know it comes as no surprise. Bring me back to life as the lightning strikes. I'm blinded by your yellow light. Your poison is sweet.